In Ethiopia, the politics and media are in Ethiopia, the social politics and economic are very well. In Ethiopia, it is a total nightmare.
So, before we start the story, let's have a background knowledge. The novel Origin Craig takes place in a world where genetic engineering is considered second nature. If a utopia is an ideal society that dreams of a world in which the social, political, and economic problems of the real present are solved, then a dystopia is an image where in which the dreams became a nightmare.
And Happy Copa, this is the example of a dystopian story. Happy Copa beans were developed by a Weiser company. The beans were designed to ripen simultaneously until then the beans ripened at different times.
Okay, what is the Happy Pupa by the way?
Beans.
What is Happy Pupa?
Happy Copa is a beans which developed by Weiser company. It's a genetic modified beans.
Beans like what kind of beans?
Coffee beans.
Coffee beans.
These three small growers out of business in right crop board and Happy Copa personnel were kidnapped and killed at source. There were protests and demonstrations with tear gas and shooting and blood yawning. Then more protests, more demonstration, more tear gas, more shooting, more blood yawning. Frank said it was history in the making. Union the workers refused to unload Happy Copa cargoes. They were found dumping Happy Copa products in the harbor, but none of makes me thirsty, said Jimmy. The usual uproar, Uncle Pete said. They'll get tired of this. They'll settle down. Everybody wants a cheaper cup of coffee. You can't fight them.
Happy Kupa is the story of a near future dystopia which powerful corporations and scientific advancements are the one who build the society and it left us to the brink of destruction. It also tells the story of a man with a simple, good intentions that he can bring the society forward. Since we told you a summarized version of the Happy Kupa, you notice that the characters are not emphasized, so we'll give you the overview of the main characters. Uncle Pete, Craig's stepfather, insists that Craig calls him Uncle Pete. Uncle Pete is good-natured and supportive to Craig. Jimmy, the novel's protagonist, who was the best friend of Craig. Craig is a prodigiously talented scientist with a mysterious demeanor who always wears dark, unmarked clothes and shows no interest in love or friendship, except with respect to Jimmy and art. Before we end the lecture, we'd like to ask you some questions. Although this is a technically science fiction, do you think this could become true?
Yeah.
Why or why not?
Ang very Happy Pupa, di ba they made genetically modified coffee beans. So instead na dagmay, dagpot siya. Okay, and they are harvested through machines. Hindi niya, di ba, coffee beans are harvested manually, di ba? Kaya napili, pula, di ba? Kaya machines. So do you think that this kind of genetic engineering, especially with coffee beans, will come to be?
Yes.
Why? Can you raise your hand?
Ay, sabi sa namin,
Yes.
they're studying impossible in science.
Is there an impossible science? What's that? Okay, so what else?
Ngayon, lang yung mga English. Mas other mentors will not invent na contributes na.
What do you think of genetic engineering on animals or human beings?
Genetic engineering, kamo ang tunggal yung lakon na parang mati ang internet.
Ano na sabi?
What do you think of genetic engineering on animals or human beings? Na? Kanan yung Pinoy, taas sa ilong.
Oh, miss, ako na miss.
Kanan yung tulunggan, lapat pa sa kalalaw. But anyway, this is a joke. But do you think of genetic engineering on animals and human beings? What do you think? Yes? Gusto niyo ang tunggal. Ang tunggal ng genetic engineering na isla ko yung tulunggan nila sa pari para pati. What do you think?
Ano ba yung sa alaw? Lolo, ay tulog ko na sa
Now, ay tulokon, meaning, lukasawa, what do you mean by that?
Kasi mga galas-galas ang personality. Injection na naman tumama. Ang side effect ang nasigod kay wala pangin lang ang
Yes, true. So it could have bad effect on our health. Aside from the fact that it could be unnecessary to look at. What do you think about genetic engineering? Once na-injectionan ka, diin ang prominent na personality or diin yung prominent mo nga side ang mga magdako o mga magdami. So ngayon doon niya, medyo conscious sa tanan, meeting sa lahat, ang iya ulo.
Ay, Diyos na sabi siya.
Okay, what about animals? So, Naragami, what do you think? Yes, mangyapon. Do you think? Yes. Ano, what do you think about it? Yes. Animals are being engineered genetically.
Ma'am naman, may
Depends on appearance and output of the
ilan.
What depends on what you think. There's no specific answer to that. What do you think about it?
Sa akin, isa ni Mas siya. Mabase ko kami. May basi ko may injection na naman. May mamakit, tapos magwa din naman. May alien.
Parang si Saray
Baboy, tangan na, pakpak para kalipad. So what do you think about it?
Lawas naman.
Manog, lawas naman. Do you think? O sige muna na Ang manog, bumubutangan ka akin. Ang baboy, butangan ka pakpak. Okay? Ang manok na 45 days, instead na 1 kilo lang, 5 kilo. Para do you think genetic engineering is a blessing or a curse? Why is it a curse?
Situation. It's like an insult to God, but because He created to be one of us.
And what about you, those who are clapping their hands? Is it a blessing or a curse?
Depends.
Sorry, in this world you have to choose either to live or not.
Sa or. First up. Parehas siya ako. Blessing.
Is it?
Kay nagkakakontradik ka sa gini mo saan ka?
Abi, hindi na copy-paste din naman.
Cameron lang, Cameron lang. Oh.
Huwag naman.
Genetic engineering, mga download na pala sa mga mga pwede mo ang software, pwede mo pa-consider parang
one. Right? The point.
Valedictorian. Mama, Rakim, engo mo ikaw.
Say something good or else. Okay, so ano to?
The codification of human is not better than God's creation.
Kaya may point man, ma'am?
Blessing, ma'am. Hindi na may
It is a blessing.
as what Aaron said, yung mga kung first na ba, pag man kung may masakit, ang first na may masakit, kaya mo lang bulong. Amo lang bulong, di ba mo na sa ito ng makapayo, di ba? May-check ng mga genetic, mga ma'am, mo na ma'am.
Genetic engineering.
Pwede, pero pwede man sa mga course, ma'am. Hindi kayo mo na
Oh, sige lang pala ba ilang siya black?
kay pwede man sa mga first blood, ma'am, kay sang yung mga ginagawa mga dokalaw, ay magdadalaw, mga ang tao, mga doka normal, ang sang ma'am, sang lawas, di ba, hindi siya na, magbibira ka na po, ulo, lumala ka ma'am.
But it doesn't mean yung exaggerate. Okay. So, you make a stand up. Do you think genetic engineering is a blessing or a curse? Okay. So, is there some more questions? So, do you have any clarification about that which they can answer for you? So, please read the story. If you want to check on the whole novel, please check the internet namin siya sa novel. Okay, so the title is Bicycle Apart. How do you Bicycle Apart? The title is Oryx and Drake. Oryx and Drake, and this is by Margaret